திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை's 18th statement. Andarangam sonneno Tirijadayai pole. She says, did I reveal any personal information about Ravana to Sita? Did I say anything like Tirijada? So in this statement, Tirukkolur Pen Pillai speaks high about Tirijada. Tirijada belonged to Rakshasa Vamsa, but she helped Sita. So who was this Tirijada? Ravana kidnapped Sita to Sri Lanka. And initially he wanted to keep her in his palace, but Sita refused. So he kept her in Ashokavana and he appointed the Rakshasis to be around her. And Tirijada was assigned the duty to take care of Sita. So Tirijada was with Sita during Sita's stay in Ashokavana. Rama's messenger Anjaneya visited Ashokavana, met Sita and went back to Rama, told him that he met Sita, contained Sitayai. Meanwhile, in Ashokavana, Ravana visited Sita very frequently and forced her to heed to his wishes. He ordered the Rakshasas, the demons, to convince Sita about his proposal. And the Rakshasas were doing as per their king's instruction. And there was one Rakshasi sleeping. She was Tirijada. Tirijada was the daughter of Vibhishana. Vibhishana is the brother of Ravana. So Kambar, the poet Kambar, referred Tirijada as there was only one Dharmatma in Sri Lanka. He was Vibhidanan. That Vibhidanan Kanni Tirijada. That is daughter of Vibhidanan is Tirijada. She woke up and she saw the Rakshasis harassing and distraughting Sita. And they were telling Sita about Ravana's wealth and she was lucky and their king wanted to marry her. And Tirijada told them the dream she had, because she was very sure the dream would convey who would be meeting the destruction. So she was explaining her dream that Ravana was going on a chariot and chariot was driven by spirits and donkeys. And Ravana was in red dress and there was a woman moving out of the palace and Ravana's chariot was moving in south direction. And there were two lions fighting with the elephants and controlling the elephants. Then Tirijada said that woman was Sita. And the two lions are Rama and Lakshmana. They will come and rescue Sita. And I had in my dream, they are taking Sita in a Pushpaka Vimana. So she convinced the Rakshasis that Sita was a good woman, so don't trouble her. And many times when Sita was troubled by or forced by Ravana, Tirijada appeared there and gave her support. And she gave her moral strength. And once Maya Janakar was sent by Ravana to Sita to talk about his proposal. And Sita was irritated and she lost the confidence and she became mentally weak. And once she decided to end her life too. But Tirijada was by her side every time. Sita lost the confidence of meeting Rama again. And she behaved like mother to Sita. And once Ravana created a Maya, a false scene, and showed it to Sita. In that scene, Rama and Lakshmana waged war against Ravana. In that war, Ravana killed both of them. And Ravana told Sita that they are no more, they will not come and rescue you. Sita was very much upset after that. Then Tirijada consoled her, and Tirijada told her, this will not happen, I will go and find out. She went to the battlefield and she came back and told Sita, they were unconscious for some time, nothing happened to them, they are alive, they will come and rescue you, don't worry about it. So Tirijada was her strength, Sita's strength, and Sita used to discuss all her feelings with Tirijada. Once Sita was telling Tirijada that Ravana was forcing her, and Ravana told if she does not listen to him, he will force her to accept his proposal. Then Tirijada told Sita, that will not happen because I know the curse of Ravana. That is very personal matter. Nobody knows about it. Very few know about it. And Ravana does not know that I know about it. So she is revealing it to Sita. According to that curse, if Ravana touches any woman without her consent or without her willingness, her head would turn into pieces. So Ravana will not go to that extent. He will not bring end to his own life. So don't worry. He will not force you. So she was literally behaving like a mother to her. And Tirijada knew very well that she would not be spared by Ravana if he had come to know that she was helping Sita. But she was very sure of doing only good action towards good people. So he continued doing that. And she was very particular in saving Sita and handing over her to Rama. This was referred by Tirukolur Pen Pillai. Tirijada had the opportunity of being close to Sita, and Sita was also comfortable with Tirijada. I didn't get such kind of opportunity, and am I so affectionate devotee of Rama or Sita? So she was talking about herself. She was cursing herself that she was not up to Tirijada. So she was saying all this to Sri Ramanujan.